Hi there, in this short video you'll learn how to use Goodbye Mail. Once you've bought a license, log into the app. And hey, if you really want max privacy, you can disconnect from the internet and work offline from now on. You know how some email cleaners ask for your logins or OAuth tokens to get into your emails? Not Goodbye Mail. We're big on privacy and won't ever ask for that. This does mean you'll need to export your email inbox on your own for Goodbye Mail to use it. We're talking about exporting it to the universal mbox file format here. If you're on Gmail, Google Takeout Tool has your back. And if you're on some other email service, no stress. We've got guides on our website to help you out. Now just open or drag and drop your email inbox file, in mbox format, into Goodbye Mail and sit tight while its AI engine scouts out your top offenders. The processing can take a few seconds or maybe a couple of minutes. Depends on your inbox size. Got a huge 50 gigabytes file? No worries, Goodbye Mail's got you covered. And here's the cool part, your emails stay on your computer. They don't get uploaded anywhere, not even to our servers. You can even work offline for maximum privacy. Once Goodbye Mail finishes processing your inbox file, you'll see this nifty dashboard with all the info you need for your inbox decluttering mission. Those widgets up top? They show how much space your emails are using up and how many emails in total you've received, plus the same stats for your top 10 offenders. And trust me, looking into those top 10 can be eye-opening. Some users tell us these offenders account for over 60% of their inbox clutter. So yeah, they're your main targets for cleaning. Then there's a results table, the juicier part of the app. It's got every email address from senders that's ever sent you an email. For each one, you can see how much space they're taking, how many mails they've sent, the last time they've sent you an email, and if they're one of those mailing list types. Feel like unsubscribing from some? Easy. Click the icon, and you'll pop back to your browser to wrap up the unsubscribe. This table is super handy. You can filter and sort all its metrics to answer any questions you might have. This helps you identify who's taking up most of your inbox space. Done deciding which senders you don't want to keep? Click on their email address to copy it to the clipboard. Then, head back to your email app and bulk delete emails from those senders. Don't forget to empty the trash, give it a day for everything to sync up with your email provider. And that's it, you've just freed up a lot of storage and decluttered your inbox. Alright, let's quickly recap what we've covered in this tutorial. With Goodbye Mail, privacy is paramount. You don't need to share your email login or OAuth tokens at all. Your emails stay right on your computer, not uploaded to any server, and you can even work offline. Easy export, export your email inbox to the universal mbox file format. Use tools like Google Takeout for Gmail, and check our guides for other email services. AI-powered analysis, drag and drop your inbox file into Goodbye Mail, and let the AI engine identify your top offenders causing inbox clutter. In-depth insights, explore the dashboard to understand email storage usage, and dive into the results table to find out who's been hogging your inbox space. Unsubscribe and delete, easily unsubscribe from unwanted senders and bulk delete emails to free up storage space. That's Goodbye Mail in a nutshell, your go-to privacy-first tool for a decluttered, organized inbox. Following these simple steps, you can take back control of your email, save storage space, and enjoy a cleaner, more manageable inbox.